Here I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Now choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding power key and volume up. Release all keys as soon as MEIZU logo pops up on the screen. And as you can see, this is the recovery mode of your MEIZU smartphone. Here you can accomplish the updating system, or you can wipe data so you can accomplish the hard reset operation. If you would like to use both operations, let's just click it and tap start. If you would like to quit the recovery mode, let's choose cancel and the device is booting into a normal mode. So let's wait a few seconds. Excellent, so now you can unlock the device and start using your smartphone. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.